Hello kiddos. Today, let's learn about capital ABCD with 1 to 10 numbers, using only two colors, black and sky blue. So, let's start. But before this, please share, subscribe and like my channel.
Sky blue color, black color, A for apple, B for banana, C for cupcake, D for drum, E for elephant, F for frog, G for goat, H for horse, I for ink pot, J for joker, K for kite, L for lemon, M for monkey, N for nest, O for orange, P for parrot, Q for queen, R for rabbit, S for sunflower, T for tomato, U for unicorn, V for van, W for whale, X for xylophone, Y for yellow, Z for zebra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.